Smooth Love Elixir SLP really is estimated to explicitly arrive at an exceptionally normal cost of now $7.8 toward 2025 in a kind of large manner's end. With the ongoing cost of $3.37, Smooth Love Mixture sort of holds its ground in the market in a significant way. Smooth Love Mixture SLP really is expected to, for the most part, arrive at a fundamentally greatest cost of $9.31 continuously 2030, which is genuinely huge. Experts project a bullish pattern for pretty Smooth Love Mixture in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $3.11 mark, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Long-haul examination proposes that genuinely Smooth Love Elixir cost might actually flood to $3.70 by 2050, with an expected reach somewhere in the range of $3.53 and $4.05, which sort of is very huge. Starting around 25 February 2024, Smooth Love Mixture in every practical sense is exchanging at $5.37 in term of its iced rate, with the value change of 12% in most recent 1 hour in an essentially enormous manner. SLP sort of has a kind of all-out market cap of $151,950,718 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $11,677,681 in an unpretentious manner. This generally makes exceptionally Smooth Love Elixir SLP, especially positioning at 319 in the digital money market, amazingly. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the essentially Smooth Love Elixir cost forecast finish of 2024, what will really Smooth Love Mixture in a real sense be exceptionally worth in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Smooth Love Mixture, and in every practical sense, wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2024, which truly is very critical? Will SLP cost in a real sense outperform its untouched high, or so they generally thought? These explicitly are our, for the most part, Smooth Love Mixture cost expectations for SLP's future incredibly. Smooth Love Mixture SLP value expectation 2024 as per the very Smooth Love Elixir estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the SLP cost is supposed to commonly cross an exceptionally normal value level of $9.53, the normal least value worth of Smooth Love Mixture. Toward the finish of the truly current year ought to be $51, so this generally makes kind of Smooth Love Elixir SLP especially positioning at 319 in the cryptographic money market in an unobtrusive way. Besides, SLP can especially arrive at an especially greatest value level of $58 in a really significant manner. Smooth Love Elixir value estimate February 2024. In February 2024, the exceptionally greatest cost for pretty Smooth Love Mixture could stretch around $5. Moreover, the minimum cost of SLP in February 2024 especially is $9.35 with a really normal cost of $9, or so they in a real sense thought. Smooth Love Elixir SLP value figure Walk 2024. The truly Smooth Love Mixture SLP cost for Walk 2024 may really arrive at an essentially least worth of $38, while the most extreme gauge cost is around $1.41, which is very critical. The especially normal cost for SLP for the most part is somewhat anticipated to explicitly reach $worth. In Walk 2024, which sort of is very critical. SLP value conjecture April 2024. Concerning April 2024, kind of Smooth Love Elixir is supposed to truly arrive at an especially least value worth of $in a sort of significant manner. The SLP cost could in a real sense arrive at an all things considered most extreme cost of $0.43 with the especially normal cost around $0.41. Smooth Love Mixture value expectation May 2024. The cost of exceptionally Smooth Love Elixir by and large is in every way that really matters. Anticipated to sort of reach at an extremely least worth of $41 in May 2024, or so they for the most part thought. The SLP cost could explicitly arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $0.45 with the typical exchanging worth of $0.43 all through 2024 in a genuinely significant manner. Smooth Love Elixir SLP value figure June 2024. For June 2024, the cost of in every practical sense, Smooth Love Mixture most certainly is in a real sense anticipated to truly arrive at an especially normal cost of $2.44, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of $0.47 and an especially least of $0.42, which basically is genuinely huge. SLP value estimate July 2024. With respect to July 2024, Smooth Love Mixture truly is supposed to generally arrive at a truly least value worth of $1.43, which generally is genuinely critical. The SLP cost could especially arrive at an Essentially greatest cost of $948 with a typical cost around $44, which truly is genuinely huge. Smooth Love Elixir Value Gauge August 2024. In August 2024, the essentially most extreme cost for sort of smooth love mixture could explicitly stretch around $5 or so they truly thought. Besides, the minimum cost of SLP in August 2024 basically is $44 with an extremely normal cost of $46 or so they in every way that really matters thought. SLP value figure September 2024. The in every practical sense, Smooth Love Elixir estimate for September 2024 expects that the SLP may fundamentally arrive at an essentially most extreme worth of $52 with a sort of least cost of around $46. Discussing the fundamentally normal value SLP can truly stretch around $948 for September, showing how in the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what for the most part is the truly smooth love Elixir cost expectation end of 2024. What will in every practical sense, smooth love mixture truly be somewhat worth in 2024 in a truly significant manner? Smooth love mixture SLP value expectation October 2024. The cost for genuinely smooth love elixir in October 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $948 and $154 in a kind of significant manner, while the truly normal exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $949, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation November 2024. The cost of pretty smooth love mixture is really anticipated to generally reach at a truly least worth of $949 in November 2024, which fundamentally shows that the fundamentally normal cost for SLP essentially will be basically anticipated to for the most part reach dollars and offers in Walk 2024 in a genuinely enormous way. The SLP cost could truly arrive at a truly greatest worth of $56 with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $51 all through 2024 in a quite enormous manner. Smooth Love Mixture SLP Value Expectation December 2024. The cost for truly smooth love elixir in December 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $51 and $58, which truly is very critical, while the especially normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $1053, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Smooth Love Elixir pretty past value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally has been basically diminished by 146% in its most certainly current worth, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Assuming we in every practical sense look at the truly current market cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap generally is additionally down, or so they truly thought. Smooth Love Mixture for the most part is confronting a kind of difficult time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The SLP most certainly is down to nearly 39% in the absolute most recent 7 days, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The coin certainly is as yet showing